Hi, this is Pinay How To. In today's video, I am going to show you how I passed ISTQB's Certified Tester Foundation Level exam in less than 2 weeks. First, you have to schedule your exam in your preferred certificate provider. In my case, I booked my exam through ISQI. Just go to google.com and search for ISQI. And click this isqi.org. And you'll be redirected to their landing page and just click software testing. Then here, you'll be able to see all the exam they're offering in the related category you've clicked, which is the software testing. Let's just look for the ISTQB CTFL exam, which is here. Just click to learn more, and on this page, you'll be able to buy the exam. For the language, just select your preferred language. In my case, it's English. Then the exam method. You can choose here if you want to take your exam via public exam, flex, remote proctor, or in the test center. In my case, I took my exam via flex with remote proctor. Then just click the time extension yes. And if you want the digital badge as well, just click yes. Then just add to cart and pay the exam. Then after payment, you will be receiving an email from ISQI that your order has been confirmed. And after a couple of days, usually it takes 2 to 3 days, you will receive an email from ISQI to schedule your exam. They will email you the instruction on how to schedule your exam and you'll be able to select your preferred date. Second, review. If you can't afford reviewing in a test center and just want to self-review, that's really possible. Because in my case, I did self-review. What I did is I looked for some course online and training materials and ended up buying a course in udemy.com, which was a good deal because it was on sale. So here you go, in udemy.com they usually offer discounts on their courses, which you can get them really cheap. In my ISTQB reviewer, I bought ISTQB Foundation Level CTFL Training Exam plus 1,500 quiz. Then select the first one. So basically, this course have covered all the topics you need to review for the exam, which are fundamentals of software testing, testing throughout the software lifecycle, static techniques, test design techniques, test management, tool support for testing. It's 16 hours in total and there's a lot of mock exams you can take. And when you go throughout the course, mock exam will give you so much more confidence that you'll be able to pass the exam. And finally, take your exam and get the results. After your exam, you will be receiving an email with a summary of the result of your exam. And in that email contains the link of your certificate as well. Just click the link and you will be redirected to the page where you can download your certificate. And that's it. Good luck with your exam!